Hey everybody! In the very last event of 2025, a customer visited my booth and said that my static budget hilt props are nice, but he was still hoping those hilts would have some sort of function as well. And that is something I actually have been planning for some time, but just haven't had time to work the prototype. Until now, that is. So, I'm introducing a new product line. These will go somewhere between those budget entry-level static prop hilts I've been offering and fully functional FX sabers with metal hilts. Well, actually being more closer to the static prop hilts in price, to be fair. Now, with these sabers, you still have to imagine the blade and do the sound effects yourself, or maybe ask your friend to do it. But at least now they have some functionality. You see, the lower half of the saber unlocks like this with a quick lock mechanism, and there you'll find the Diatium energy cell. You can remove it like this by pulling it out, and you'll find a small switch by which you activate the light and then insert the energy cell back and reassemble the saber into one full piece. Then you can open the top half with a similar quick lock mechanism like this, and this opens you an access to a illuminated crystal chamber. All these saber hilts come with a proprietary display mount, which has a bit more real estate, so you can display the hilt with the crystal chamber exposed if you want. All the parts in these hilts involved with this locking mechanism are 3D printed out of PETG for a better long-term durability. This is still a prototype, but I have a small batch of this model ready to ship at the start of March 26. I have already added this to my online store too, and if you place an order now, it will most likely ship out very early next week. And I already have more models in the works, so this one won't be the only one available in the near future in this new Elite series of hilts. There are more news and new products also in the works. So now that I finally managed to figure out this video shooting corner, I'm hoping I'll get to produce more videos as well. So, thanks for watching. Till next time.